Alright, got the laser up here, pointing down to the other bearing bracket, right in the center of the brackets. So here on the spring pads, we're gonna know where the center of that pad, where the spring bracket is going to be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mount those guys. So when I bring up the spring, you know, it's just alley-oop up into the hole.
What?
Hook the shaft into there and slide it up into your bracket and then bolt it. So laser level, it's so worth it. All right, I'm gonna get these guys mounted. I'm talking about this.
What happens next?
I'm gonna put it up there. Let me get after it.
Roger that.
So I put a little mark right there in the center of this bracket. I'm just going to put it up here and line it up. Always use torpedo level to kind of just level it out.
Live and learn.
All right, there it is.
Well, what are you waiting for?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Help me! Help me! Damn.
Oh my God!
Alrighty, got it up, locked into place, ready to put top panel in and put the drums on and with the cables and wind them up. Fun.
Dude.
Alright, got the set screws and the keyway in, and you know, the cable wrapped around the drum there, around this big old high lift drum. Now I'm gonna vice it off, vice grip it. All right, there we go. So both sides, the cables are on. Springs are ready to go. So I'm gonna put 20 quarter turns on this one, 20 quarter turns on this one, putting the same amount.
Now that's a lot of damage.
Locking them off, and then I'm gonna apply my coupler bolts, and then I'm gonna go and finish off winding both springs.
Hey, what happened?
Forget to take the grips off. All right, there's one spring all wound up, ready for action.
Yes!
All right, there's door one. Totally done. Heck yeah, man, that thing looks freaking sweet. I'm gonna put the spring bumpers on them, on the horizontal tracks, and then, yeah, this dude is donezo, except for the opener.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
All right, so we are on day number 4. Gonna work on the spring pads and you know, try to get some springs up. Still need some 7-foot C-channel or 7-foot 4-inch C-channel for 2 of the 12x12s. Some of you guys would be like, Richard, how come you don't get this done in 2 days? Come on, man, it's only 4 doors. I know, guys, but you know what? I got some ring rust on this commercial stuff, setting angle iron and all that. Yeah, I'm more of a resi guy. If you haven't done something in a while, then yeah, you're definitely gonna kind of lose a little bit of that skill, a little bit of the speed. I'm not as young as I used to be.
Nestle Crunch.
The beauty of doing your own thing is you can take your time, do it right. Happy customer. All right, day 4, let's begin. So we're just gonna finish this one out, put the C-purling up in there for the spring line. Likewise on this guy. We need to hang the 3 openers. We already got the, like the safety sensors, already ran on all 3 doors. And did the wall button stations yesterday, so this next day should wrapping things up. All right, so we are all done. Just kind of wrapping up. A few small odds and ends, but for the most part, it is all finished. That one, I love how it went underneath the fan. That one's measured out perfectly. Couldn't get any better than that.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
And then on the 12x12, follow the slopes. These guys fit in real nice. Cut a piece of C-purling, screwed it to the side there so we got something to mount the cable tensioner to. All right, day 4 in the books. I got this door, as you can see, open. Looks pretty good. Works beautifully.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Yeah, it pulled down real nice and smooth. Check it out, check it out. Those springs were a monster, like almost 68 quarter turns. Turn out. Thanks for following along on this.
Okay.
Yeehaw. Yes, sir.
Yeah!